Hello students, welcome back to our e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Class 1, Subject Mathematics, and the topic we are going to study today is Understanding 100 to 200 on Abacus. I repeat, the topic we are going to cover today is understanding numbers from 100 to 200 on Abacus. I am Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher, will be guiding you for the same today. Students, we have earlier discussed the countings from 100 to 200. Today, we will be learning them on Abacus. Begin with our topic now. Now, the format we are using is the revision. Whenever we are starting our class, we take a quick revision of what we did in the previous class. So, students, in our previous class, I gave you some homework. Also, we discussed countings from 101 to 200. I dictated them and pronounced them for you so that you learn the correct pronunciation of each and every counting. Let us have a look of what we did in our previous class. Counting from 101 to 200. 101. We do not call it as 101. I was dictating it as 101 again and again because I know you people have already studied. And you might be thinking that it is called as 101. So, we will be revising the countings up to 200 once again. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So this is the pronunciation we are using up to 110. Now, starting off from 111, what we call 111 as 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and finally 120. So students, as you can see in the box that the countings are the same. Only the number which is on hundreds place need to be added. I repeat, the countings are same but the number which is on hundreds place. How at hundreds place? Ones, tens, 100. The number which is on the leftmost side. That is the 100. So we add it to the 100. So I gave you the homework to write it once in your books on page number 95 as mentioned on the screen. I hope you all have completed it by now. Let's do something which we have given as homework of patterns. So, we also discussed patterns and we already did patterns in our previous classes. The classes in the April or May, because the patterns were the first or second topic we discussed in our book. So, here is the page number 96 for you to understand it well. Students, I have written the answers and you can see them on the screen. We will be discussing the answers one by one. So question number 1 is same as question number 2 of page number 95. Now you can do it on your own. In page number 95, we were copying it down from the box given, but here on this page, you can do it by your own. And you can start writing the answers. We will be discussing the answers for question number 2, which is continue the pattern. Now, how it is done? As we have already discussed in our yesterday's class that how to solve or recognize pattern. So here we will be using the same technique of recognizing the patterns. Coming to part A, which is 100, 101, 102. So, students, this is basically the counting starting from 100. As we have already discussed. So, moving further with the answers, we will write 103. Why we will write 103? Because after 102 comes 103. Please say the counting again with me. 100, 101, 102. Next will be 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. So, the box given are up to 109 only. The counting may go up to as many as numbers required. Coming to B part, it is starting from 121. So, after 120 comes 121, then 122, then 123. Next will be 124, the counting. Next 125, then 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. So students, we have done A and B part by now. Coming to part C, it is starting from the mid. but we will be reciting it from the beginning. That is from 150, 151, 152, then 153. Next is 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161 and 162. Why till 62? Because the answer we have to answer till that particular box only. The counting may go up to whatever the number you want to fill. Coming to D part, please pay attention on D part. 132. The next number is 131. That means on each step we will be deducting one number. So, if we minus 1 from 132, we will get 131. So, students, this is a kind of back counting also. It may start from any point or any number. So, we will begin with 132, going backward, 131, again going one step backward, 130, coming a step behind, 129. So, we have to write it as back counting. So, before 29 comes 28. So, 128. Then 127. Next 126. Next 125. 124. And finally 123. Here our back counting stops for this series. Coming to E part, 145. The back counting starts from 145. So, the next number is 144, which is minusing one number from 45. So, it may start from any point. Here we are starting it from 145, going one step backward, 144, again a step backward, 143, again a step backward, 142, again a step backward, 141. Then what comes before 140? 139. Then what comes before 139? 138. Next 137. Then 136. Our series stopped right here at 36. So students, pattern does not always require the forward or the jump in numbers. It can also be a regular counting in forward direction or in backward direction. We can call anything, any such thing which is given according to the pattern of anything, and starting from in between we call it as a pattern. So, coming to today's topic is what is abacus. Students, for solving 100 to 200 on abacus, first we need to learn what is abacus. So the answer is, it is an instrument for performing calculations by sliding counters along the rods or in grooves. So I will be explaining this to you in Hindi also. It is an instrument. ये एक ऐसा डिवाइस होता है जिसमें बीड्स होती हैं और इट कैन बी इन रेक्टेंगुलर और स्क्वायर शेप. ये किसी भी शेप में हो सकता है. इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर परफॉर्मिंग कैलकुलेशंस. इसे हम अपनी कैलकुलेशंस परफॉर्म करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कैलकुलेशंस जैसे कि जोड़ना, घटाना या दुगना करना. ऑल्सो बाय स्लाइडिंग द काउंटर्स अलोंग द रॉड्स. इसमें रॉड्स होती हैं जिसमें बीड्स पड़ी होती हैं और उसे हम काउंटर्स बोलते हैं. अगली स्लाइड में यू विल बी लुकिंग एट द काउंटर्स इन रेड कलर. अगले पेज पे आप काउंटर्स को या बीड्स को रेड कलर में देख पाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज एबेकस you all have understood. Now how will we calculate it on abacus? So it can be used to count. This we already know. But the column on the far right is for ones. The far right corner means the one which is on the most right side. The column, एक कॉलम जो कि सबसे सीधे हाथ पे राइट साइड पे होता है, वो वंस के लिए होता है. वंस जैसे कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9. जितने भी नंबर 1 से लेकर 9 तक के होते हैं वो सबसे राइट वाले साइड में काउंट किए जाते हैं. द नंबर्स विच वी आर हैविंग in ones that are being calculated in the far right beads or the column. The next column is for tens. उससे अगला कॉलम होता है टेंस के लिए. टेंस जैसे कि 10, 20, 30, 40 और 21, जिसमें कि हम 20 लेंगे बीच वाले से. राइट वाले के बराबर वाला लेफ्ट साइड पे राइट के बराबर लेफ्ट ही आएगा क्योंकि राइट साइड पे उसके कुछ नहीं होता है. तो लेफ्ट साइड पे यानी कि बीच में होता है एक कॉलम जिसको हम टेंस से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. टेंस आर यूज्ड इन द नेक्स्ट कॉलम फ्रॉम द राइट साइड. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू हंड्रेड्स. द नेक्स्ट कॉलम beside tens is hundreds. जो टेंस के भी लेफ्ट में होता है वो होता है हंड्रेड्स. हंड्रेड्स यानी कि 100, 200, 300, 400 और आगे आगे काउंट करते जाएंगे 900 तक. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको एबेकस थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया होगा. I hope you are now able to understand a bit of what is abacus. Students, I will be mentioning the picture of abacus right after I finish speaking this. Students, मैं इसके बाद आपको abacus दिखाने वाली हूँ जिसमें कि रेड कलर की जो बीड होगी वो हम काउंटर बोलते हैं और आप जान पाओगे कि कैसे काम करते हैं. ये है एक पिक्टोरियल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एबेकस. दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एबेकस. In the first column you can see 100. So 100 is in the red dot because the foremost, the third line, the third column is for 100. The first column is for ones, second is for tens, and the third is for 100. So that's why we have colored it 100. Next question, 156. So students, जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया था, वंस नंबर जो होगा आप सबसे राइट वाले में करेंगे, तो 6 बीट्स को कलर कर दिया है सबसे राइट वाले यानी कि वंस में. देन 5 बीट्स को कलर कर दिया है टेंस में यानी कि वंस के बराबर वाले में, जो कि है टेंस, और टेंस पे लिखा है 5. हंड्रेड्स पे लिखा है 1, तो टेंस के बराबर वाला हंड्रेड्स पे हमने उसको कलर कर दिया है फॉर ऑरेंज, विच इज फॉर 100. सो लाइक दिस you can solve any question, you can solve anything on abacus. If you know the number or the digits, you will be able to solve them. Now let me give you one activity based on this. Is this worksheet. You will be drawing this worksheet in your copies. आप ये worksheet अपनी copies में बनाएंगे. And you will be drawing it similarly how it is done on the page. And next thing you will be doing is you will be coloring them according to the number given. You will not be cheating it from the slide already given. So students, it is written U at the top, which is O, because we calculated as or we recited as O once. स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ पे एच टी और यू लिखा है ऊपर, वहाँ पे यू की जगह ओ आएगा क्योंकि हमने वहाँ पे वंस कैलकुलेट किया है. इन्होंने वंस को यू से रिप्रेजेंट किया है, हम लोग ओ से करेंगे. सो वहाँ पे यू मतलब वंस, टी मतलब टेंस, एच मतलब हंड्रेड्स. ऐसे आपको समझने में आसानी होगी अगर आप लिख लेंगे. इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू पीपल इफ यू राइट इट in the copy like this only, H, T and O. And we will be discussing the answers for this in our next class. Let's come to your homework part now. What is your homework? Your homework is do page number 98 and 99 in your course books. आप पेज नंबर 98 और 99 अपनी बुक में करेंगे. पेज नंबर 98 और 99 आप खोल सकते हैं एंड आई कैन एक्सप्लेन, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू इन डिटेल. दैट इफ यू अकर एनी मिस्टेक, इफ यू आर स्टक एट एनी पॉइंट, वी विल बी रिजॉल्विंग इट सून. We will be discussing the answers in our next class as I have already mentioned. So we will be discussing it in our next class. Do not worry. You just focus on the activity and your homework. Whatever you feel the answer is, you can write. Students, आपको जो भी आंसर समझ में आता है, चाहे वो गलत हो या सही, आप खुद करके देखिए. अगर गलत होता है तो हम उसे ठीक कर लेंगे और अगर सही होता है तो मतलब आपको समझ में आ गया है. I hope you all will be doing the page number 98 and 99 along with your worksheet which is given in the activity zone in your copies. And thank you for listening to me very patiently. Have a nice day and enjoy. Take care, students.